Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic: Customer service is key to building long-term relationship. Customer undermines what a business is. He wants better customer service. We have come to know all this. Again, one more lecture. Customer undermines what a business is. He wants better customer service. Customer demand value for money. The amount of money he is spending, he wants value for the money he spent. Good customer service is all about bringing customer back. Good customer service is bringing customer back. If good customer service is there, customer will bring more customers to our shop. Customer service is one of the greatest keys to your business success. To any business success, customer service is one of the greatest keys. Interact with each customer. You need to interact with each customer. Treat him the way he wants to be treated. What the way he wants, treat him in the same way. Treat him in the way he wants to be treated. Great customer service keeps customers coming back. If a customer service is great, customers keep coming back. People tend to do business with people they like and trust. People should like and trust the company, the people. Then they do the business with them. Okay? For instance, YouTube channel Konapredi Movies. So many customers came and many of them unsubscribed. After coming to know the truth, the value of the channel, most of them came back. Almost all of them came back. So that means first they look in a different way and then this is a good channel we have to watch. They came back. Secrets are customer retention and customer satisfaction. There are two secrets in business. One is customer retention, two is customer satisfaction. Customer retention and customer satisfaction. These are the two secrets in business. Customer retention and customer satisfaction. Number one, build business customer loyalty. This customer for a lifetime. If the customer has loyalty towards your company, he is forever your customer only. 2. Provide true customer service. Provide true customer service, that is personalized customer service. 3. Customer is always right. Research shows that 7 out of 10 customers will do business with a company if that business resolves a complaint in their favor. 7 out of 10 customers do business with the company if their complaint is resolved in their favor. 4. Honesty with the customers. Pass saving to your customer. This ingrains confidence in your customer. Whatever saving is there, pass it to the customer. It gives your business a good value. 5. Educate your staff to relationship selling, which is path to sales success. 5. Educate your staff to relationship selling, which is path to sales success. What is the path to sales success? Relationship selling. Number 6. Trust building pays. If you build trust, it pays. 7. Customer is lifeblood of any organization. Customer is lifeblood of any organization. Number 8. Customer first is the mantra of any business. Customer first is the mantra of any business. Number 9. Give customers what they expect. 10. Turn complaints into opportunities. 11. Build opportunities for repeat business. 11. Engage customers in a two-way dialogue. 13. Survey customers and solicit feedback. 14. Stay close to your customers. Involve customers and partner with them. 15. Compliment them and be sincere. People value sincerity. 16. Thank them every time you get a chance. 17. Pay attention to the little details. 18. Use technology to track, classify, and categorize open-ended feedback. Company should create customer service that is not just the best but legendary. Deliver extraordinary and convert ordinary customers into lifetime customers. Legendary customer service does not come from a policy manual but from the heart. Before closing the lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Pedine.